We are all born explorers, tackling unfamiliar experiences again and again. Our thirst for discovery winning over our fears. It used to be that each day was a new chapter in a story filled with adventure. But somewhere along the way, exploration became something trivial. Experiencing something new and stretching our imaginations became an afterthought to playing it safe. But our story does not end here. We at LG are taking our first steps to explore the unknown. Because life is full of wonder. If you step away from the race and remember how to see through an explorer's eyes, our mission to make life better for you in unexpected ways and to never again stop exploring. LG Explorer Project.
Good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening to you, wherever you are around the world. And thank you for being with us. We're very much looking forward to sharing some exciting news with you today. For the past decade, we've had smartphones in our pockets, and we've probably all owned about 5 or 6 of them. The design, specs, performance, and what these devices can do for us has far surpassed what we thought possible. But let's be honest, over the last few years, newly launched phones have been slightly improved updates from the previous version specs, with mostly the same design, even while demand for differentiated and personalized experiences has increased. But what if I told you more could be done? As we've hit peak smartphone, as many pundits and experts have said, your expectations and desire for something new, something fresh has increased, especially in the wake of the 5G era. As we look for ways to address these expectations, we've launched the Explorer Project, an initiative from LG Mobile that aims to breathe new life into what makes a smartphone, to envision what it ought to be, to design what it should be, by closely examining the user experience and breaking from the routine smartphone form factors. The Explorer Project imagines different approaches to the existing premium smartphones that all look and function the same. The Explorer Project allows us to have the courage to tackle new challenges, to take risks and pursue new opportunities. It's where you'll see new and different but practical innovations from LG Mobile. Our philosophy of delivering these practical innovations to you will come to life in these devices. This is not just about one product, however, but rather a whole line of new and innovative form factors and experiences you'll see from LG Mobile today and in the future. We know we couldn't have done this without the support from our valued partners who shared and understood our pioneering vision. Now let's meet our Explorer Group partners who were with us from the beginning of this adventure.
We have actively collaborated with LG Mobile on ways to optimize the performance of the products of the Explorer Project that will bring new and different experiences to consumers. And we have worked hard to optimize the performance of our Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset so that consumers can fully enjoy the new and different mobile experiences more reliably and for a longer period of time.
How has the partnership been with LG? Well, it's been extraordinary. We could not have asked for a better partner. When you have a main screen where you can watch a show and you have a second screen where you can do other things, it becomes a perfect way to watch a show on mobile.
Combining media viewing and chat is a difficult problem. There's only so much space on a screen. But this device makes the impossible possible. We can't wait until people experience Rave on this revolutionary device.
Well has always been looking to provide differentiated browsing experiences But to do so, we were in need of a new approach, especially in terms of smartphone form factor. LG Mobile suggested the light solution we needed.
The Explorer program in LG Wing, we are able to provide additional functionality in our intuitive user interface. Viewers will be able to easily access playback control and other features which are historically hidden on other devices. Tubi is proud to be part of LG's launch today, and we look forward to partnering on other products in the future.
And now it's time to fly. Let me introduce you to the bold and adventurous start of our exploration. The first product of the Explorer project, LG Wing.
Don't you take my wing? Ow! Don't be so mad. Yeah, gotta change a thing. Why you hesitating to waste it? It's time to spread the wing. Why don't you take my wing? Shining like
Take flight to new spaces. LG Wing.